Hi, I'm Mary Marr with Licata Real Estate Group, and I'm here today at the Lake of the Woods True Value Hardware Store with the owner, Paul Curtis, and store manager, Dan Callista. So, Paul, tell us about your hardware store.
Well, thank you. We've been here since 1985. We serve the Locust Grove community all the way from Fredericksburg to Culpeper and in between. We have a full assortment of products and services that we offer that we're excited to tell everybody about. We stock all kinds of products. We do special orders for folks, and we have a lot of specialty departments such as rental, lumber, outside gardening, on all of those categories. And yeah, we're really happy to be here and serve the community.
Great. Would you like to show us the newly remodeled garden center?
Yes, absolutely. Let's take a look at that.
All right.
All right, just follow me this way. So this is going into the garden center. It's not stocked right now. So this is our garden center. Obviously, we don't have any product in it right now, but we're going to be stocking this as soon as the weather gets warmer in the next few weeks. They will be filled with hanging baskets, bedding plants, all kind of outdoor products. We also not only have a great assortment of products, but we have staff that can help you with any of your questions. We have a master gardener on staff. She's very knowledgeable and loves to help people. So this is a very large assortment here.
What kind of services does your gardener provide?
So she can advise based on the environment you're putting your plant, whether it's sun or shade, what would be the best type of plant, whether it needs high maintenance or low maintenance, whether you want something that is drought resistant, and just, you know, how, so the overall look of your landscaping blends in well. We can actually go over and look at your site and make suggestions of what meets your needs best.
Oh, great. So she'll actually come out to your house.
Yeah, we can provide that service.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. So Dan, what should homeowners be doing now to get their lawns ready for the spring?
I mean, now's the time in to get everything that you need as far as lawn, landscaping. We sell plenty of mulch. We have soils. We are going to have this place stocked full of plants very shortly, very soon. Probably about mid-March we'll get some cold weather vegetables, and after that we'll have plenty of variety of different flowers, plants, shrubs, all kind of great stuff.
Great. What other services do you all provide here?
Some of the newest additions, we've added a complete rental program. Our rental department ties in with the landscaping very well. We have all types of products that we rent out to improve your yard and garden, all the way up from a tiller to a track loader. So everywhere in between there.
Okay, great. Can we go check out the rental department?
Absolutely. Let's go back in the store here.